Welcome back to ECE 442-542. This is our last lecture in Unit 7, Lecture 7.3. This unit is dealing with PID control and the generic controllers, and this last set of lectures in Lecture 7.3 will be a wrap-up on our controller design using the PID controller, and we'll try to illustrate MATLAB with one particular tool that's useful for root locus design, rltool for root locus tool, and then we'll go into more general controller designs, what happens when we have naturally unstable systems, or what happens when we have non-minimum phase systems. And a non-minimum phase system is a system that has zeros outside the unit circle. And as we will see, if we don't already know, that actually is more challenging to design controllers when we have zeros sitting outside the unit circle, because we know that branches of our root locus will terminate on finite zeros, and if some of those zeros or one of those zeros is outside the unit circle, we know at least one branch is trying to migrate outside the unit circle as the gain k is increased. Remember, the roadmap for the remainder of the semester is on D2L in the Transition to Online module. Homework number 6 is due on Monday, April 27th. The quiz for Unit 6 will be on the 29th, 2 days thereafter, and Saturday will be the time for the second attempt, and that will extend for a few days in terms of the duration of the time window you have available to you to take that Unit 6 quiz attempt number 2. And I will try to provide quiz review material prior to Unit 6 attempt 1 and Unit 6 quiz attempt number 2. The material that we're talking about in this set of videos is dealing with Rule 4 and 5 of root locus design, and that will be addressed in homework number 7, and that's due on Monday, the 4th of May. This quiz for Unit 7 is due the following Wednesday and Saturday. The project for the course, if you're in 542, will be due on Wednesday. Homework number 8, which is optional, is due on reading day, the Thursday, May 7th, and our final exam is a week thereafter. So pay attention to D2L and emails relative to the discussion of our final exam. There is material that's supplementary in, and really it's kind of helpful to know, and these deal with rule number 5, and you'll find those in 7.1 Supplement A and 7.1 Supplement B. Supplement A deals with how does the root locus, how do these branches of our root locus depart, at what angle do they depart from these complex poles, open loop poles, and Supplement Lecture B is how do these root locus branches arrive, at what angle do they arrive at these complex zeros. The material for the root locus is in our textbook in chapter 5 and 6, 5 dealing with analog, 6 dealing with digital. Discussion posts can be helpful in the different units on the discussion page on D2L. We are continuing to hold office hours at 4 to 5 on Mondays and Wednesdays. And if you do have difficulties or have questions, please let me know. Send me an email. And I hope by this point it's clear that exam number 2 and exam number 3, those points have now been replaced with your unit quiz points.